Yes, hello, good evening, all. Mm, yes, good evening, വർഗീസ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓഡിബിൾ ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? യെസ്, ഒന്ന് അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവോ ചാറ്റിലൂടെ? യെസ്, ഹലോ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ജസ്റ്റ് എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ഓഡിബിൾ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്. വർഗീസ്, ഏതെങ്കിലും ട്രേഡ്സ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? യെസ്, ക്ലിയർ ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. നൂർജഹാൻ, ഓക്കെ, യെസ്, ഓഡിബിൾ. ഓക്കെ, ഏതെങ്കിലും ട്രേഡ്സ് നിങ്ങൾ റണ്ണിങ് ആണോ? ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവോ? ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഗോൾഡ് മാർക്കറ്റ് നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വി ക്യാൻ സി ദർ ഇസ് എ സൈഡ് വേസ് മാർക്കറ്റ് ഇൻ ഗോൾഡ്. നൗ മാർക്കറ്റ് ക്രിയേറ്റിംഗ് എ പാറ്റേൺ. ഓക്കെ, so is there any trades running on your MT5 account? Just update. You can ask me anything. This is session is included with the AMA session plus and live trade also. So if you have any question regarding trading or the financial market, you can ask me. So whatever I know, that I will clear your doubts and all the things. Okay, so കുഞ്ഞി മുഹമ്മദ്, യെസ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓഡിബിൾ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. യെസ്, ജസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഫസ്റ്റ് ഗോൾഡിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും എൻട്രീസ് അവൈലബിൾ ആണോ എന്നുള്ളത് ജസ്റ്റ് നോക്കാം. ആസ് വി ഡിസ്കസ്ഡ് അബൌട്ട് ദ ലാസ്റ്റ്, യെസ്, റണ്ണിങ് CAD CHF സെൽ ഓർഡർ ഫ്രം 0.570547 എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ലാസ്റ്റ് വീക്ക്ലി ഫോറക്സ് ഫോർകാസ്റ്റിൽ വി ഓൾറെഡി ഡിസ്കസ്ഡ് അബൌട്ട് ദ ഗോൾഡ് മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ്. ഇതർ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഈ ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഹൈയിലുള്ള ഹൈ മാർക്കറ്റ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്ത് അല്ലേ, നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 5092 $5,092 is the previous week high. So after collecting that we can expect a fall from that level, and also if market strongly break that level, then we can expect that area will act as a support. So this was the two analysis for the gold on the last weekly forex forecast that we have already provided in the last video. If you have any doubt, you can just go back to the previous video, then you can check it out. Okay, so അതിൽ ഗോൾഡിൽ ട്രേഡ്സ് റൺ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് പറയുന്നു. സോ ഈ ബൈ ഓർ സെൽ എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത്? ബൈ ആണോ സെല്ലാണോ മാർക്കറ്റ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് പറയാമോ? And again I am coming back to 15 minutes time frame. Let's look a trade on smaller time frame, and you can see that there is a pattern formation also going on 50 minutes time frame, and also fresh pick saying that a silver, is it buy or sell? Can you please update which asset, and is it a buy or sell? That you can also update, so I can take from my analysis also. So in gold we can see there is a flag pattern is going on, and there is a double top pattern is already created, and if you check in that trend, you can see the trend line is just broken from this level and this level also. Okay, so let's wait. Yes, okay, so where we can see multiple kind of patterns, a symmetrical triangle, after that a market created a double top pattern, and after that now market creating a bearish flag pattern also. So as of now, just wait for the breakout for the patterns, and just do one, and like you can see that market still not collected the previous week high. You can see there, this is a previous week high. Okay, so if market just collecting this high, then if we get a character change or break of structure, then we can go for a sell. Okay, so as of now wait for the market. See, you can see Monday market opened as a gap up, then market creating a sideways market. In both side we can see market creating liquidities. Okay, so wait for the market as of now. Then today gold 5100 എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട് ഗോൾഡ്. യെസ്, സോറി ഗൈസ്, ഗോൾഡ് $5,100 മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വരുന്നു പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. Yes, I am also expecting market will collect the previous week high, that is almost nearest to 5100 level. After that we have to take decision, as otherwise there is no trade on gold. We can see that market does a multiple touches on this side. We can see this area is acting as a support. This area is acting as a support level, and you can see this area will also act as a resistance. Okay, because that is a previous week high, so this area we can expect market will create a support and resistance. So we need to wait to break this support level or a resistance level for looking for a good entry. Okay, otherwise you can go and trade in smaller time frame, like below 5 minutes or 3 minutes, but that is not good as of now. Then wait for the pattern breakout as of now for taking any trades on gold. Okay, so even though I am expecting 5145, maybe market will touch. After that we have to discuss for a buy and sell. Okay, so again, is there any other trade? So this is the update on gold. Okay, silver, then we can look into the Bitcoin chart in smaller time frame. Yes, so this is the movement that we are predicted on the last weekly forex forecast. If market collect the previous high, then we can expect a fall. So it is exactly happened. So till what price we can expect? So I'm just deleting this XABCD for as of now. I'm just measuring the previous wave. We can see, we can expect the market will reach into $65,922 level. So that is a discount level, and also we can see market is creating a pattern. So I hope everyone can see my chart. Okay, so we can see, I'm just coming to 1 hour time frame again. now market creating a pattern. You can see there's a multiple touches in this trend line, and also market creating a bullish pennant pattern. Okay, this is a bullish pennant pattern. So if you get any breakout in this level, then we can go for a buy entry, or we have to wait the discount level that is almost nearest to $65,000 level. This will be the discount zone. Maybe market will came to this position as we discussed before last weekly forex forecast. That time this pattern will be act as a bullish flag pattern like this. This pattern also we can expect. Okay, after that only you have to go for any trade in Bitcoin, otherwise it will be looks like a gambling mode. Okay, so this is the analysis for the Bitcoin. As of now we don't have any entry in Bitcoin and gold. Let's look on the currency market. I think there is a high volume in currency market also, so let's look into the NSD USD. Yeah, USD JPY. Yes. See what happened as we discussed the last weekly forex forecast. What happened here, already market created a change of character, then there was a huge break of structure. We can see that from here. Okay, from there market just came to the premium zone. Okay, then market trade is going on, and according to the ABCD trade, till what price range we can expect? 1.618 we can expect. This is the 1.618. It's a reversal area, so just deleting this fib level, and we can expect next buy from taking this impulse. Next buy we can look when market reaches to this golden zone. Okay, so the price we can, the USD JPY price we can expect till $154.036 level. So from there we can go for a trade once after taking the confirmation. Okay, as of now market is in a sell order, sell position, and if you plot or if you have know the ABCD pattern, you can just also here you can see the correction was 382. So where also we can put the ABCD wave 2.618, that is almost nearest to this price. Background DJ it's already completed. It just okay, now it's, I think it's already cleared. You can check the live market. Just close the YouTube and again you can join. Not a problem. Okay, so it's a very good buying option. Just a second. Okay, background we are just testing our DJ, so that's why it's coming to our live. Sorry for that. Okay, so we can see there is a two type of ABCD waves, and this is the downtrend market that is coming over here. Yes, so wait for a character change. This is a low, high, low, lower high, lower low, again lower high, again lower low, again lower high, lower low, again lower high. After taking the liquidity we have to wait for the character change, and the next BOS, when you are getting the next BOS, then you can go for a trade from the discount level, then you can target till 157. Okay, we need to get this kind of movement. There should be a character change. and after that the character change, we need to get a good rally. That should be a break of structure, BOS. So after that we can go for a buy from this zone. Okay, if you're looking for a buy, then this is the criteria. Otherwise market is on a sell, as we discussed in the last weekly forex forecast. Okay. Yes, any doubts? Okay, Rafiq bhai, ഏതെങ്കിലും ട്രേഡ്സ് റണ്ണിങ് ഉണ്ടോ? Just you guys can update all the current running trades, so we can do. Yes. So this is the current update for the gold. We can check any small entries in gold or Bitcoin. First we have there is no high volume in the market. Let's check the forex factory if there any news or anything. So at the end of this live trading session, we will conduct a AMA session where you can ask question regarding to the. So okay, gold buy ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. On 5:30 there was newses, but there is no new movement. We can see that newses was negative, but the gold there is no movement. It's acting as a sideways market, and there is no other newses on today. And tomorrow, if you are checking the market, we can see there is a high impact news on 5:30 on tomorrow. So let's look at any entries. I'm just coming to 5 minutes. Okay. So here we can see I'm just deleting the pattern. Understand the market movement. There is a equal low formation is there. It's very important. We have to look the equal low formation here, and market is already in a premium zone. So just wait, and I'm coming to 3 minutes time frame. So here you can see, 1 second. One second. Okay. Yes. Yes, gold buy എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay. Here we can also see there is an equal high also. Now market just collected the equal high. It's a liquidity point, and already market taken the discount, and just market is going for a rally. I think coming to 1 minute time frame. What happening? Just market creating a bullish pennant or bullish flag kind of pattern. So it's a indication market is going up again. Now after collecting the liquidity, market came to the correction. Now is just consolidating in smaller time frame. So just wait for a breakout, then we can expect this range first, that is $5,079. So you guys, if you are going for any buy from this point, that is not a good entry, because both side liquidity is pending, and the buy side liquidity is already market collected. And now what I am looking, market will came to $5,020 level after collecting this liquidity. It's already collected. Just wait for a few minutes, 5 minutes. Just coming to 30 minutes time frame, we can see, just wait to close the 6 p.m. candle, then after that we can take a decision. Okay. So now 5:56. There is only 3 more minutes, 3 minutes and 40 seconds from now onwards. So just wait to close the 30 minutes candle, then after that we can take any decision. And also I'm marking the previous 30 minutes candle high. This is the level. This is the 5:30 opening candle. So after 5:30 candle, we can see the news was negative. That's why the gold markets came up So if the gold market is US dollar is market is negative, then we can see market will go up. In gold market we can expect always a buy. The same things happened here. After opening the 530 candle, market directly went up, okay, and collected a liquidity. So now just wait 2 more minutes, so where we can take the confirmation. Okay, so at least what I am expecting, this was the 4 p.m. candle, just measuring zero point 0.5, taking an horizontal ray. Let's take a zero point 0.5 and 0.618 zone. So if market closes above this two line, we can expect again a buy. So just wait 2 more minutes. What happened? Okay, 2 minutes and 17 seconds. So here, this is 30 minutes time frame. Wait for a while, only 2 minutes left. Market showing a volatility right now. Now the gold price is $5,051. So if the 30 minutes candle closes again below of that two line, then again the market will be again confusing. So just wait. What is your opinion? Again market coming to in between that two lines, so that is a very confusing area. If market closes above that level, then we can look for a buy in smaller time frame with a least stop loss and target, and the stop loss will be below $537. It will be a very risky entry because we are going for a small time frame entry, that's why. So always use 0.5 percentage risk of your capital. Okay, okay, just wait for 50 seconds. What happened? Again market is trying to pull back. So I'm just zooming out. You guys can also can see. So the price range of this candle is $5,051. If 30 minutes candle above closes above $5,051, then we can expect a buy, or we can take confirmation in smaller time frame. So just wait 20 seconds more. Okay, again there is another news. France unemployment rate raises to 7.9 percentage, the highest for years. Okay, there is a breaking news വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഫ്രാൻസിലെ അൺഎംപ്ലോയ്മെൻറ്റ് റേറ്റ് 7.9% ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലാസ്റ്റ് 4 ഇയറിനേക്കാളും കൂടുതലാണെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സി അഗെയിൻ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഗെറ്റിംഗ് കൺഫ്യൂസ്ഡ്. Okay, so as of now we can't do anything. Let's wait for this 30 minutes. What happened? We have to look what happened after touching this red line, that is $5,046. The wick needs to touch at least this level, then we can expect a next movement. Wait for this 30 minutes candle. Now market just created a lower shadow. Okay, getting buy, but it's still confusing. Wait little more minutes. First 5 minutes always will be very confusing. The zone, maybe once market touches this zone again will come back. Let's wait few more time and coming back to 5 minutes again. What happening? So just marking the sessions wise movement. The London market is opened from this position. This was the low, and this is a London high and opening. Okay, this is the London low, and this is the London high. Okay, and what we can say, the opening candle of 530, and this is low. Yeah, this is New York. I just marking as a with a yellow line. Yes, this is the New York market low, that is 5026. mm, Market is trying to reject. You can see that in smaller time frame, 5 minutes time frame, you can see. mm, the opening price of New York market is this $5032. So let's let is coming down as we expected. So let's see what happened on 30 minutes previous. That means this is the 5 p.m. candle. After opening the New Year market, this is the 30 minutes candle. For once market reaches to this high, then we can watch what happening there. Okay. And here you can see there was huge lower shadows. That area is very active, will act as a rejection zone. mm. Okay. Coming back to 50 minutes time frame. Taking 5 minutes time frame again, and this is the previous higher low, 0.5. Yeah. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this is a good zone, and target will be on is 2. Okay, we can just watch this entry. Okay. mm, this is the previous impulse 0.5 zone. Okay. Coming back to 1 minute time frame. X A B 0.5, we can previous low. Okay. This is the X A B C, so we can look a buy from 886. Okay, I'm deleting this position. Yeah, deleting this support zone. Okay, and I'm just measuring the previous correction, that is 0.5. Yes, we can take a order from here. And this is the 530 opening level. Yes, so that area will act as a support, because we can see there is a high impact news happened on that time, so that time is very important for us. So there is an XABCD pattern also. So once market reaches this position, then we can go for a trade in gold. Okay, so guys, just watch for the entry. This is the level between $5,038 and $5,000 $33. This is a smaller time frame entry, 1 minute entry, so it is very risky. Only use 0.5 percentage risk. Okay, just watch the entry. I'm just muting my mic and just watch. Okay, if you have any question, you can put a live chat, you can put a comment on the live chat. I will be watching. Okay, just a second. Okay, yes. Still market is consolidating as we expected. Market reversed from this red line, that is $5,046, and even in smaller time frame also market is in sideways market. Okay, so let's look for another entry. This XABCD now invalid. What we are expected, once market create a lower low or a creating a, after creating a lower low, market is will reverse. But what happened, we are expected this moment, but what happened, market reversed from this price range. Okay, that is also fine. And here you can see this according to the Elliott wave, this is a correct wave. We can see there is a 0 ABC pattern also. We can see there is a 0 ABC created a low, equal low, and yes, now market is coming to the, I think this is Tuesday high, right? Coming to 15 minutes. Started pumping again. 5063. It is in smaller time frame, that's why. Okay, yeah, market is coming to the resistance level, and also we can see previous week high. So now we can expect the market will reach us to this point, at least this high. Yeah, sound ഉണ്ട് തോന്നുന്നല്ലേ. And also we are okay. Okay, let's look another pair, like any currency pair we can look. 5200 to 5300, 1102. Just closing this. Okay, fresh pick, I don't understand what you mean. 11-ാം തീയതി 2-ാം മാസം ആകുമ്പോൾ ദിസ് മന്ത് നാളെ മാർക്കറ്റ് 5200 എത്തുമെന്നാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. നോട്ട് ക്ലിയർ, ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ. ഓക്കെ, യാ. See, in coming to 4-hour time frame again, it's this NSDJPY per currency pair, there is no opportunity still. And AUD JPY, GBP USD. Okay, okay. Euro NSD. Here we can see in Euro NSD, we can see an character change. 0 1 2 3 4 expanding diagonal. It will take time. We can move to another pairs like AUD, Swiss franc, NST, CHF, AUD USD, smaller time frame. USD JPY coming down as we discussed it before, and okay, USD JPY. CAD JPY. Equal high 0 1 2 3 5 completed. Character change. Okay. There is a swing entry on Euro GBP, so I will tell you the moment. We can see there is a swing entry 0.5, 0.618, and this will be the entry level, and we can target. Stop loss should be 4-hour time frame, again 12-hour time frame. Okay, this should be the entry area. Coming to daily time frame again, this is the daily time frame on Thursday, February. On Wednesday, this is the low. It's a very, the area low will be a very powerful area, and yes, correct. 50% of this level we can go for a buy. Okay, so this area should be your buy order. Stop loss will be below of the previous low. That's a very strong low, and also a protected level, and the trend line is already breakout, and we can target this equal high level. So this is the entry in Euro GBP pair. Okay, so it's a swing position. Okay, okay, stop loss we can expand little more. Yes, yes, this will be the entry level, and I'm just texting the entry by limit price range. By limit, text color is black. At by limit at 0.86608. SL should be 86.86. That is a rounded figure. You can expand below 86. Okay, and on S2 is still there, and the TP should be 0.87995. Yes, Euro GBP. Yes, so this is entry position. I'm just downloading into my downloads. Save. Okay, Euro USD പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. Let me check Euro USD. Euro USD. USD smaller time ഫ്രെയിമിലാണെങ്കിൽ what happening in gold, let's check same level. Okay, euro USD you can see just 0.5 is already taken. Okay, here we can see in euro USD there is a flag pattern is going on. Okay, okay. Here you can see the breakout, you can see, and also market taken the liquidity from there, that is also fine. And after the break and retest and next break, then you can go for the next buy. Brown, what about go? Okay, so after the break, retest and the next break, you can go for a buy. And also you can target till the previous pole, that is the minimal confirmation. As of now, this will be the target, 80% of this level. And after the break and retest and break, you have to keep your stop loss here, and the target should be this. This risk reward ratio is very less, that's why that's a very risky entry. Okay, so in 30 minutes or 50 minutes you have to take the BRB confirmation for euro USD. Okay, yes. What about gold? ഗോൾഡിൻ്റെ കേസ് എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റിൽ നേരത്തെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത പോലെ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഈ ഒരു സോണിലോട്ടുള്ള ഹണ്ടിങ്ങിലാണ്. സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ ദിസ് സോൺ, ആഫ്റ്റർ ടേക്കിംഗ് ദിസ് സോൺ that is nearest to $5,100 level, then we can expect a reversal. Okay, and also we can see XABCD, and that is also London high also. And we can see there's an XABCD pattern is forming on 1.13. You can expect reversal. Okay, after lots of confirmations are there, so still you have to wait the moment. Okay, yes. So this is the update for gold. And if you have have any question regarding this, 30 minutes and okay, yes, got it Afla. Yes, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇനി എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സോ കാര്യങ്ങളോ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. Then I will be here to discuss. If you have any doubts regarding trading and anything, you can ask me. I will be reply through the live. You can just text me. And if you didn't join the community, just check the description. There will be an option to join the community. Okay, just നിങ്ങളെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? അഫ്ല, ശ്യാം, ഫ്രഷ് കാർഡ്, I don't know what is your name. Can you check actually GBP CAD I already checked. There is no opportunity as of now. I only see the opportunities in euro USD and euro GBP only. Okay, is there any other questions from your side? USD, yes, USD JPY is coming down actually, and now already in a sell, as we discussed about the last weekly forex forecast. You guys have any other doubts regarding, I think USD JPY, all the things we already discussed in this live. If after completing this live, you can check the previous this video will be uploaded in the YouTube, so you can check also. Okay, so as of now, yes, only that I can see only two opportunities, three opportunities. So in gold also we can see a sell opportunity, that we have to take confirmation. And already I provided a position in euro GBP, that's a swing entry position. And euro USD already discussed, and there is a breakout on bullish flag pattern. You have to take the I will take on more time for your USD. Which chart is preferred for GAN trade? Euro USD, right? Euro USD still don't take a direct buy, wait for a break, retest and proper buy. Euro USD, yes, it's a simple flag pattern. It's not about any other things, or market is still on uptrend market. We can see there's a major major liquidity is there, that is we can see these are the liquidity positions. We can expect the market into this price zone, that that area will act as a resistance also. So this is the movement that we can expect. സോ ആസ് ഓഫ് നൗ എൻട്രി ഗോൾഡിലില്ല, നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്ത പോലെ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഒരു ബൈ പൊസിഷനിലോട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പ്രീവിയസ് വീക്ക് ഹൈ കളക്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം വി ക്യാൻ ഡിസ്കസ് എനി എൻട്രീസ്. So just try to join on the gold on my community. There is a description, you can check the description, and also I will update in my community if there is any good fall if you get. Sir, can you draw Elliott on last impulse euro USD 15 minutes time frame? I will draw. Okay, yes. Okay, in last Elliott we can see 0 1 2, we can take from here. Already market created 3.618, so that we can take as a third wave. So for the Elliott, this we can take as a 0 and 1 2 3 4 and 5. We can expect at least a 786 level, and this will be the is 618. This is the entry, and see I'm taking on our time frame. Here we can see 0 1 2 3. Market now completed the third wave. Now we are expecting a fifth wave, sorry. Okay, any other questions? എടാ ലൈവ് ട്രേഡിലാണ്. Sorry guys, there was a call. Okay, yes. Okay, if you guys have any question, you can just ask me. I think already done lots of questions I answered right this. Okay, so now I am going to wind up this session. In the coming Sundays and coming Wednesdays, we can sit for the chat with mentors program, and also we will have coming live trades on community. Live trades also will be there in each community. We will come for the direct live trade. Okay, so